What are the relationship of services to the protocols? First, you have to understand what is the service, and you have to understand what is the protocol, and what is the difference, and what is the similarity between them. What is the relationship between them, to be very very clear about them. So a service is nothing but functions, primitives, operation that the lower layer provides to the upper layer. Okay, that is the layer k minus 1 will give some service to layer k will give some certain service to layer k plus 1. But it will never say how this operation or services is implemented. It will just say, I have this function, you can use it. How to use it, you decide. What about protocol? These are nothing but the rules, regulation, the convention governing the format and meaning of the packet. That is, when you send the package, what will be the size, what will be the header, what will be the trailer, because they have to be exchanged on a peer layer. So entities use this protocol in order to implement their service definition. So protocol is used when you know the protocol, then you can implement the service definition, because service is all about the operation, what operation you have to use. Now I'll give you an example of programming language. Here we have the abstract data type. In abstract data type, for example, the class will have only a function. Function is nothing but services here. Okay. Now this service, how you have to implement, it is not saying the factorial you have to implement using the direct code, or you want to call it again and again, say iterative way. So the protocol is the implementation of the service which is not visible to the user. So it's like an abstract data type. It defines the operation but not specifying the implementation.